My name is Lauren Gaw, and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. This week, we are making donuts, for no other reason besides the fact that I just got some new donut pans. I love this recipe because they are baked and not fried. I have tried making fried donuts, and they are very messy and very difficult. But this recipe is super easy. Anyone can do it. In a large mixing bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk it together and set it aside. Then in another mixing bowl, combine your eggs, milk, melted cannabis butter and regular butter, and vanilla extract. Once that's mixed together, pour your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then mix it until it's just combined. I've already lightly greased my donut pan, so I'm just going to fill each donut 3/4 of the way full. I am using my scoop to make sure that all of my donuts are the same size, but you could also just use a spoon or even a piping bag. Spread out the batter into an even layer and then bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. When your donuts are done baking, the easiest way to get them out of the pan is to wait about a minute or so for them to cool off a little and then flip the pan over and knock them on the table. Now, I couldn't decide how I wanted to top my donuts, so we are going to do 3 different toppings. We're going to do a powdered sugar donut, cinnamon sugar, and of course, a frosted donut with sprinkles. To make our powdered sugar donuts, all we're going to do is put powdered sugar into a paper bag and then toss one donut in the bag at a time until they're coated with sugar. It's like shake and bake. Do you guys remember shake and bake? For our cinnamon sugar donuts, we are going to melt some butter into a small bowl and also mix together our cinnamon and sugar, and then dip both sides of your donut into the butter and then both sides into the cinnamon and sugar. I guess you don't have to do both sides, you can do one side, but go big or go home. Now for our glazed donuts, we are just going to mix our powdered sugar, vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and milk. I have added a little bit of red food coloring to make my donuts pink, but you can make whatever color you like, or you don't have to make them colored if you don't want to. Now just dip one side of the donut into the glaze and then flip them over and let them dry on a cooling rack. This will let the extra glaze drip off. If you don't want to dip your donuts, you can also use a spoon and drizzle the glaze on top. You can also dip one color and then drizzle a different colored glaze on top, but instead I am using rainbow sprinkles because that is classic pink donuts with rainbow sprinkles. Now we have 3 different kinds of amazing donuts, and my biggest problem is which one should I try first? I am gonna go with the pink frosted. First of all, I love donuts. Second of all, baking these donuts instead of frying them gives them a slightly different texture. They're a little lighter and a little cakier than a fried donut. They're also better for you, right? Because we baked them and didn't fry them. Should I try all 3? I should obviously try all 3 donuts. All right, powdered sugar donut. That was good. It reminds me of the Hostess powdered sugar donuts, which is my favorite snack. Last one, cinnamon sugar. That was good too. It's like a churro. I seriously don't know which one is my favorite. All 3 of them are delicious. And if you guys have any other great ideas of how we can top these cannabis donuts, let me know in the comment section. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to behind the scenes footage, recipe sneak peeks, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description section below. And like I said in last week's video, we are coming up on 1 year of Life Above the Clouds videos, which is crazy, I know. But looking forward to next year, I want to ask my viewers what you want to see more of. Whether it is more videos like this, different kinds of recipes, different topics, a different format, please let me know in the comment section below because I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.